Hello all, I am Dr. Pravas. In today's class, we will discuss about the C address code for 2D array and 3D array. Okay, this is one 2D array. This is one 2D array. This is one 2D array. Let's see. X equal to A of I and A of I at J. Okay, so this is one 2D array. So how to construct the C address code for 2D array? Just see how to construct this 2D array. Okay, first we'll try to understand the 2D array. First we'll try to understand what is the meaning of 2D array. I'm just taking one 2D array, A of 4, 4, right? A of 4, 4. A of 4 means what? Here number of rows. Here number of rows equals to 4. This is let it is number of rows, and this one is let it is number of column. So first 4 is called as number of rows, and second column, the second 4 is called as what? Number of columns. That means here n of r equals to 4 and n of c, number of column, equals to 4. So here we'll define the number of rows and number of columns. Now we'll define the 2D array A of 4, 4. Okay, so see how to define here. Okay, so this is A of 4, 4. Okay, so here this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, and 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Okay, so this is one 2D array, and the number of rows equals to 4 and number of columns equals to 4. Number of rows equals to 4 and number of columns equals to 4. Okay, I want to find this value. Now I want to find, or I want to extract this value like 2, 1. So how to get this 2, 1 value? Suppose A of what? 2, 1. I want to extract. So how to get this A of 2, 1, or how to extract this A of 2, 1 value? How to extract? Just say generally there are two types of orders. Means this is no doubt it is a 2D array, but we will maintain all this 2D array, or it may be 3D array, but we will maintain in 1D array. Just see 1D array. Every means we will convert every 2D array or 3D array or 4D array, whatever it may be, but we will convert in 1D array. Means every values generally store, or every values of 2D array generally stores in 1D array. Okay, so how to store? Generally there are two orders are there. I am writing here. Let's see. Then there are two types of order. Order means row measure order. One is row measure order, and one is column measure order. Row measure order. First we will see the row measure order. How a 2D array is stored? How a 2D array is stored in 1D array? If we are following the row measure order, first we will select the first row. First we will select this first row. Means just see, this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. Then we will select the second row. Means 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Then we will select the third row. Means 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Then we'll select the fourth row. Okay, means 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Means in this way every 2D array generally stores. Suppose if in C programming language or Python programming language, we will see every 2D array generally stores in, means the values are stored in, means either 1D means in 1D array. 1D array means, suppose if we are following row measure order, so we will store in this way. Suppose if we will follow the column measure order, let's say column measure order. If we will follow the column measure order, how to store? First we will select the column. First column means 0 0 1 0 2 0 3 0. Then we will select the second column, like what, 0 1 1 1 2 1 3 1. Then we will select the third column, 0 2 1 2 2 2 3 2. Then we will select the fourth column. Fourth column means 0 3 1 3 2 3 3 3. So this is the column measure order. Okay, so any means by default order, if suppose if we don't consider any order, means the 2D array will stay in row measure order. By default order is always row measure order. Suppose if we are talking about in C program, how means how a 2D array store in 1D array, but by default it is generally every 2D array stores in row measure order. It may be 3D or 4D, whatever means array. It generally by default store in row measure order, right? So now we are considering what row measure order. Let we just consider here row measure order. Okay, now we just consider here row measure order. Okay, now just say I want to extract what, 2 1 values, means a of 2 1. Now I want to extract a of 2 1. So how to extract a of 2 1 value? Just say here how to get a of 2 1 means this value. If I will skip what, how many values? If I will skip first row, second row, then third row, means this 2 0 element of third row, then we can get 2 1 values. That means, suppose just consider the row measure order. How to get 2 1 values? 2 1 is here. If I'll skip before the element of 2 1, means if I'll skip all the values before 2 1, means we'll skip 0 0, we'll skip 0 1, we'll skip 0 2, we'll skip 0 3, we'll skip 1 0 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 0. Then we can get 2 1 values very easily. But how to know that how many values we will skip? Just see what is the formula. Let it is I, let it is j. Here I value equals to 2. Here I into formula is, here number of columns means NC plus j. Here I value is nothing but what, 2. NC number of columns, here NC value or number of column value is equal to 4, plus here j value is nothing but what, 1. So 2 into 4, 8 plus 1 equals to 9. That means we'll skip 9 number of values. 9 values. Just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we can get 2 1 values. Okay. Means if we are following row measure order, if we are following column measure order, it may be different. But here remember one thing. Now we are following row measure order. This is the formula for row measure order. Okay. That means, suppose how to get 2 3 values. Just say a of 2 3. How to get? So here 2 is I, 3 is j, means I into NC. I value means 2, Number of columns here, number of columns is equal to how many? 4 plus j means 3. That means 2 into 4, 8 plus 3 equals to 11. 8 plus 3 equals to 11. That means we will skip 11 number of values. Just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then we can get 2, 3. Okay, this is very simple. In this way, we can extract the values in 2D array. Okay, now we'll generate the formula simply. So how to get? Let's see. So a of ij is nothing but, first we'll get means base address plus this value I into nc plus j into offset value, let it is c into offset value. We have already discussed about offset value. This c value may be 2, may be 1, may be 4. 2 means what? 2 means it is for integer type. 1 means it is for character type. 4 means it is float. So let I am storing integer type value. I am storing here integer type value. Okay. Here integer type value will store. Let the base address starts from 100. Let the base address starts from 100. So a of 21. A of 21 means, let's see, a of 21. A of 21 means what? Base address. Your base address is 100. Base address is 100 plus I into nc plus j. I into nc plus j means what? This value is nothing but 9. 9 into offset value means c. Let I am storing what? Integer type values. So that means offset value is 2. So 100 plus 9 into 2, 18. That means 118. That means this value is 118. Just see, a of 21 means 118. This value is 100. This is 102. This is 104. This is 106. Now here 108. This value is 110. This value is 112. This value is 114. This value is 116, and this value is 118. Okay, so at the address means 118, we can get a of 21. In this way we can get. So this is the formula. This is the formula of a of ij. So we can write now. Now we'll write x. Now we'll write the 3 address code. X equals to a of I j. So a of ij means what? This one. So T1 equals to nothing but base address. Okay. Second one. So T2 equals to I into nc. I into nc. T3 equals to what? T2 plus j. T2 plus j, fourth one. Then this is the address like the offset value. So T4 equals to what? This value is nothing but what? T3 into C. T3 into C. Okay. So fifth one, what? X equals to, or T5 equals to what? Base address means T1 of T4. T1 of T4. So T1 is nothing but, we can see, T1 is nothing but base address. And T4 is nothing but what? This value. It's nothing but this value means T4. Means I into NC plus J into C. This is called T4. If it is So just in this case, F21. This is base address. So here T1 of T4. T1 is nothing but what? 100. T4 is nothing but what? 9 into 2 means 18. So 100 of 18 we can get. So then, so 6 equals to what? X equals to T5. Okay, X equals to T5. So this is the 3 address code for 2D array, means X equals to A of I J. In this way we can construct the 3 address code. Okay, now we'll see the 3 address code for 3 address code for 3D array. Remember here we just follow, here means this one is the base, this one is the what? We just follow what? Row major order. Okay, if we'll follow column major order, we can define just here row major order means what? I into NC plus J. If it is column major order, we can write what? J into what? NC means NR means number of rows plus J means rows, means this is column means I. Okay, we can write like this. So now we'll see 3D array. Suppose X equals to what? A of I J K. 3D array X equals to I J K. So how to see? Just let I am defining here A of 3, 4, 2. This is one 3D array. This is one 3D array. How to store this 3D array? How to store this 3D array in, means suppose in C programming language or any programming language, we have to follow what? If it may be 3D array, it may be 4D array, it may be 2D array, but it always stores in 1D array. It always stores in 1D array. So now let I just follow how to convert this 3D array into 1D array. Just let I am considering this 4, 2. This one as one 2D array. Means I just consider this part as a 2D array. Let I am considering this one as a 2D array. That means we have total 3 copies of 2D array. That means we have total 3 copies of 2D array. So first of 2D array, second copy of 2D array, third copy of 2D array. Means in this way we will store. Just see. So here I am just taking number of rows. Means since this is one 2D array, so number of rows equals to 4. Number of rows equals to 4, and number of columns equals to 2. And let I am taking this one as n of k. N of k equals to 3. Let I am taking. Okay, this is n of k, this is n of r, this is n of c. We can write like this. So just see 4 to 2. This is one 2D array. So now we'll just design the 2D array. Okay, so means there are, since it is a 2D array, so number of rows equals to 4 and number of columns equals to 2. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 3, 0, 3, 1. This is one copy. This is one copy. Similarly, we can create 3 copies of 2D array. Just see 3 copies of 3D array. This is first copy or zeroth copy. Let's, it is zeroth copy. It is first copy. This is the zeroth copy. This is first copy. This is the second copy. This is similarly 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 2 0 2 1 3 0 3 1. Okay. Similarly, we can create one more copy. So this is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 2 0 2 1 3 0 3 1. This is zeroth copy, this is first copy, and this is second copy. Now this is completely in 3D array. This is completely in 3D array. Why I am taking here 3? Because here nk value is 3. Means I'll take total 3 copies of 2D array. Okay. So how to store? This is important point. How to store this 3D array in 1D array? Let I am following here row measure order. Let I am following row measure order. If I am following row measure order means, remember, if order is not given, by default order is always row measure order. Okay, by default order is always row measure order. So how to store the values in row measure order? How to store the 3D array values in row measure order? That's it. We start from here 0. Here 0, here 1, here 2. 0 means 0 0 1. 0 0 1. 0 0, sorry, 0 0 means 0 triple 0, 0 double 0, 0 0 1. Then 0 1 0, 0 1 0. Then 0 of 1 1. Then 0 of 2 0. Then 0 of 2 1. Then 0 of 3 0. Then 0 of 3 1. Okay. Then okay, first one is completed. Then we start from the second one, or the first 1 of 0 0. Then 1 of 0 1. Then 1 of 1 0. Then 1 of 1 1. Then 1 of 2 0. 1 of 2 1. 1 of 3 0. And 1 of 3 1. Then we'll start the second one, 2 of 0 0. Then 2 of 0 1. Then 2 of 1 0. Then 2 of 1 1. Then 2 of 2 0. 2 2 1. 2 3 0. 2 3 1. Okay. So this is 1D array. Means we'll store here, we store what? The complete 3D array values in 1D array. Okay. So how to extract? Suppose I want to extract one value like 1 2 1. So how to extract? Just say 1 a of 1 2 1. I want to extract. So how to get this value? How to get? This is nothing but what? Base address plus. How to get these values like 1 to 1? First we'll see 1 to 1. How to get this value 1 to 1? That means we have to skip these values before 1 to 1. Means same formula for 2D array. Same formula. How to get this 1 to 1? We have to skip all the values before 1 to 1. Before 1 to 1. Means how many values we will skip? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 values. So we have to skip total 13 number of values. So how to get this 13 value? Let's see, it is nothing but what? This value is nothing but what? I, j, k. So I into what? Let here this value is nothing but, let's say this value is nothing but I. This value is nothing but j. This value is nothing but k. Okay. When I'll keep here I value, when I'll just take this first I value, so it is nothing. Then we'll just write multiply what nr and nc, what nr into nc plus then j. Since it is j, after that, after j, which value is given? nc value. Just simply write nc plus k. After k, there is no values. There is no values. That means what? Just see. Again, I'm explaining. First is I. I into means that means this value is I. I means after I, how many values are given? nr and nc. That's why I just multiply nr nc plus j. How many values are given? How many values are given? After j, only one value is given means nc. That's why I multiply nc plus after k, there is no values given. So that's why k. Okay, simply just say here I means 1. nr, here nr value, nr means 4 into nc means 2 plus j value is nothing but what? 2. nc means 2 plus k value means 1. So we just multiply 4 into 2 8 plus 2 into 2 4 plus 1 means this value is nothing but what? 30. Okay, so that means we have to skip total 30 number of value, then we can get 1 to 1. Okay, now we just convert this one as formula. Okay, base address, we just write simply this formula I into nr into nc plus j into nc, j into nc plus k into offset value into, again we'll multiply the offset value. Offset value may be, it may be integer, it may be float, it may be character. So let here value is 2. Just say how to get 1 to 1. Let here I'm just taking c value equals to 2, means we store all values, means all values are integer type, right? Let I just start the base address. This is from 100 plus this value is nothing but we just find here, we just calculate what value is 30 into the offset value is nothing but what? 2. So 100 plus 13 into 2 means 26. This is 1 2 6. Sorry, this value is nothing but 126. Let's say just count here 100. This is 102. Here I'm just calculate here 100, 102, 104, 106, 108, 1110, 112, 12, 114, 116, then 118, then 120, 122, 124, then we can get this is 126. Okay, so value is nothing but what? 126. So this is the formula. This is the formula of what? A of I j k. This is the formula of A of what? A of I j k. So now simply we'll convert. Now we'll convert, just see this one as 3D array. Just take this one as T1. T1 equals to base address, sorry, T1 equals to base address. Second point, T2. T2 is nothing but what? I into NR, I into NR. Third point, T3. T3 is nothing but what? T2 into NC, T2 into NC. That means this value is nothing but what? T3. Then fourth one, T4 is nothing but what? J into NC, J into NC. So T5 is nothing but J into NC is T4 plus this is K. That means this value is nothing but what? T5. So sixth one, T6 is nothing but T3 plus T5. T3 plus T5. This is T3, then this is plus, then this is T5. So seventh one, T7. T7 is nothing but what? Now this total value is T6. Okay. So T6 into C. T6 into C. Eighth one, T8 equals to what? Base address. Here base address is T1. Then of what? T7. Just see. Here T1 is base address. That means 100. You can say 100. T7 means this value, means 26. So 100 of 26. Then ninth one, x equals to what? T8. X equals to T8. And this is the three address code for what? City array. In this way we can find. When three address means three address means A of I, J, K. Okay, this is the code means 3D array, and this is the three address code for the given 3D array. In this way, we can calculate also 4D array, 5D array, or 6D array, and nth array. In this way, we can calculate. Okay, thanks for watching.